Here is a question statement. Convert prefix to postfix using recursion. Plus times A, B divided by C, D. Convert to A, B times C, D divided by plus. First, let me introduce some notations in arithmetic and logical formulae and statement. Infix notation is a mathematical notation in which the operator is between operands, such as a plus sign in 2 plus 2. Prefix notation, also known as a normal Polish notation, NPN, is a mathematical notation in which operators precede their operands, such as plus, 3, 4. Postfix notation, also known as a reverse policy notation, RPN, is a mathematical notation in which operators follow their operands. For example, 3, 4 plus. Stack is a last in first out data structure. It is commonly used in the evaluation of infix, postfix expressions. Stack can also be used to convert infix expression to postfix, prefix to postfix. Recursion is a method in which a function calls itself. Sometimes stack and recursion can be used interchangeably to solve the same problem. For this question, let's put parentheses for all operators. We see that each expression contains of following parts: operator, first operand, second operand. Each operand could be nested expression or a simple value. Now let's look at the code. The first function is the stack solution. The input is a prefix expression as array of chars. The return is a postfix as string. At the beginning of the function is to define a stack. From the back of the expression, we check each symbol. If it is one of the operators, we take 2 operands out, concatenate them, and the operator push the new string back to stack. If it is not operator, that is the operand, we need to push it to the stack. This is an utility function to check whether the character is an operator. Here is a function of the second solution using recursion. The input is an array list of a string for prefix expression. The output is an array list of a string as postfix. We use array list since it is easier for nested procession. Retrieve the first symbol in the array as operator, then get the 2 operands by running the same code twice. This is a place to use recursion to deal with nested expression. The last step is to put the operands and operator together as postfix expression. Let's run the code. When the prefix string is plus times A, B divided by C, D, when use the stack, the result is A, B times C, D divided by plus. Using recursion, the return is the same as stack's result. This is the O notation. Using stack, the time complexity is O(n). N is the length of the string. Space complexity is O(n) for the stack. Using recursion, the time complexity is O(n) for the depth of the recursion. Space complexity is O(n) for the stack frame. That's it for convert prefix to postfix using stack and recursion. Please leave your comments below. I'm Vivian. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you soon.